respectful. Respectful to those. Whatever your elder will tell you to do it. Don't grumble.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Proverbs chapter 3 verse 1.
Yes.
My son,
Yes.
do not forget my teaching,
Mm-hmm.
but keep my command in your heart.
Wọ́n ní ọmọ mi, má ṣe gbàgbọ́ ohun tí mo kọ́ ẹ. Don't forget my teaching over you. As I'm telling you this, don't forget. Remember, Pastor Juvenile said I should be honest. You have to be honest. Yes. If someone sent you to go and do something, don't grumble. Because you children of nowadays, they can't send you. If they will send you what they want to send you to go and do, if it's something that you eat, you go, so they will give you. It's not good. Stop it. Stop it. Not good at all. Let's be in love and honesty. Let's be always loving people around us. People surrounded to us that keep us. Hallelujah. Father, ben pé mo sọ̀rọ̀ nìkan. Mo fẹ́ kí ipò náà àgbàrá kó bá ṣe ìwé John 15:9. 15:9. A fẹ́ mú nǹkan tí yẹn sọ. John 15. Ẹnì kan bá a kàn.
As the Father has loved me,
As my father, bí bàbá mi ti fẹ́ mi, tó e nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi sí.
so have I loved you.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ lèmi náà ṣe fẹ́ wọ náà.
Now remain in my love.
Remain in my love. Ẹ wà nínú ìfẹ́ mi. Ẹ má kúrò nínú ìfẹ́. Spirit of hatred, remove it from you. Don't hate anyone. If you hate, you are hating what God created. The creation of God, you are hating it. It's not good. Don't hate people. Be in love. Love people. Maybe he's complete or not. Just love him. So far he's a human being. Love him. Please read that verse 10.
If you keep my commands,
If you keep my commandments,
you will remain in my love,
you will remain in my love.
just as I have kept my Father's command and
Just as I have kept my own father's commandment. Not my father. Not my father. I mean my father in heaven. Yes, my father in heaven. If you keep his commandments, that commandment, you see, stealing, do not steal, do not lie, do not kill, you will all remain in his love. You people will remain in his love. And in that love, you will see blessing, protection, mercy, forgiveness of sins, and the kingdom of heaven. Yes. If you keep that commandment, that 10 commandments, you shall see it. Stealing, that one is mostly important. You children of nowadays like stealing stuff. Mostly in school. Then see someone spend with 2K. Yeah? Don't you know that person spend that you take when he is looking for his food? Do you know what the person will say? Do you know maybe he will say something good or bad? Do you know? You take what does not belong to you. Don't take it. If you don't have, you ask the person rather than taking it. When it's not there, it's not good. You ask. Ask him. Ah, sir. Well, please, friend, I please borrow me this. If the person says no, then leave him. Not that you won't even ask him. And some of you, when you've asked him, he did not give you. Now go back and take it. Yes.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.